afternoon, boys and girls. My name is Carl Hoover. I'm the Assistant Fire Chief of Shenango Township. And also we have other firemen here from Shenango and also West Middlesex. Okay? The two departments in the school district here. So part of the people will be coming from West Middlesex, which would be the borough of West Middlesex and part of Lackawanna Township, which live way out here towards Mercer. That you'll see West Middlesex Fire Department first. Okay? And then the township kind of surrounds West Middlesex. So you might see Shenango Township first. But the key thing is it doesn't matter. It does not matter what department comes. They're there to help you. All right? Now, I don't want you guys to be afraid of our firemen. So we got a couple things that's going to happen here. All right? But you guys are from our kindergarten class, right? Yeah. Does everybody know where they live? Do you know your addresses? Yeah. Yes. Well, this is what we need you to do. Since you're the kindergarten class, you know one thing. We only dial 911 in an emergency, right? Yeah. Okay. The other thing is, when you get 911 on the phone, they're going to ask you what your name is, and they're going to ask you to state your emergency, whether you have a fire or there's an accident in front of the house or something. You're going to have to tell them what's wrong. The second thing is, the third thing they're going to ask you is your address. So if you don't know your address, and I know it's kindergarten, I was there once too, so it's hard to remember, but it's something we need to learn. So you need to know your name, your address, and your phone number, and you also need to state the emergency when you call 911. That gets everything going. That way, if you do have an emergency, you can get us, the firemen or the police department or the ambulance service. Now, the video we're going to show you first, this will help, this will make a fun way to learn, okay? Does anybody know anything about Sparky? You know a little bit about Sparky the dog? Okay, well, what we're going to do here is we're going to let you see Sparky, and then I'm going to ask you some more questions. Now, you got to pay attention, all right? Because this is the same as going to a fire drill or having an actual emergency. Ryan, this is going to tell you about how to do actual emergencies and stuff. This video is going to explain a lot. And now, like I say, I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. All right?
Devon.